morning, teacher. My name is Sandra Milena Ardila Sandoval. I am a student, Universidad Pedagógica y Tecnológica de Colombia. Continuous activity. Halloween days. The next Halloween celebration. I am traveling with my family to Montenegro, Quindío. And we are sharing 1 week in this paradise. We are going to decorate the house with ghost pumpkins, orange, black balloons. We are making terrific decoration. And my mother is preparing a special Halloween menu. And my father is taking care of play the music. We are going to wear scare customs. Then we are doing a parade of customs. And my grandfather is giving award to the best custom of the night. My new cow Matthias is not walking in the parade because he is 4 years old. My daughter Catalina is not looking TV because we have horror film festival. Are we planning to drink wine during the party? Yes, we are drinking. Are we going to work in disguise? No. We are celebrating at home. This will be a fun party. With my family, we are eating the special menu prepared by my mom. And my aunt Rebecca is singing at the Halloween show. Are we enjoying? Yes, we are. After that, and we are laughing very much. We are traveling to Tunja on October 6th. We are returning to Tunja? Yes. How are we traveling? We are traveling by bus. End. Thank you very much. Goodbye, teacher.